Hello fellow Therians, otherkin, vampires, and all with non-human and alternative identities. If you identify as human and have stumbled across this video, you're also welcome to use the drumming for your spiritual needs or meditative practice. This video series will feature traditional drumming on a drum made of straight deer skin and wood. At this time, I would like to give thanks to the deer and tree who have sacrificed to make this sacred drum. This series will include a short 5-minute session, a 10-minute session, 30 minutes, and a guided meditation. Drumming has served many purposes throughout history for music, celebration, communication, wartime, shamanic ritual to induce spiritual trances, and meditation. The rhythm and frequency of drumming can affect the brain in positive ways, switching from beta waves to alpha waves. This causes a calm and relaxed state. That is why drumming makes trance and meditation easier. There is a difference between these two mental states. Shamanic trance or a journey is for the purpose of traveling to the lower, middle, or upper worlds to communicate with spirit helpers, guides, teachers, or even ancestors, usually for helping and healing. Meditation is for mindfulness, self-awareness, to learn more about the world or your own mind and body. Meditation is for observing the self. Theriosides are not spirits that will be met in shamanic trance. Theriosides are the animal side of the self. They're part of us and within us. Meditation can be used to be more aware of how the body feels during therianthropic shifts, to be more mindful of behaviors and changes in mentality from human to animal. The 10 to 30 minute sessions can be used for either purpose to reach a shamanic trance or a meditative state, depending on your intention. I will aim to keep the beats per minute at about 220. At the end of the drumming, there will be a more rapid series of beats to bring you back to a normal state of consciousness. Even if you are not listening to drumming for spiritual or Therian-related purposes, simply listening to the sound of the drum can reduce stress, reduce tension, anxiety, and help you feel at peace. I hope you enjoy the following videos of traditional drumming.